How did you keep yourself motivated?
Well, sir, that is a very crucial question because I remember जब prelims clear नहीं हुआ था it was very difficult because then you're balancing सबके साथ होता है there are a lot of trade-offs and opportunity costs that you have to figure in and that is how you decide to move forward with the exam because it is very attractive and addictive to keep moving forward even if you are not succeeding. So in my case I did two things. The first one was कि acknowledge and recognize कि करना क्यों है. So I have since time immemorial kept 2-3 quotes on my desk. तो वो तो हमेशा से रही हैं. Secondly, there are mentors that you have to, they have appreciated me throughout. But you are also one of them, sir. So you have to pay them back some way. And there is no other way to do that other than just trying your level best, even if you are not succeeding. But mentors जो होते हैं, जो real mentors होते हैं, they see that you are striving, you are working hard, and that is all that matters. So I kept pushing for that as well, sir. So the third thing was कि अब आपने एक मोटो सेट किया है तो वही घोड़े की तरह उसके पीछे you have to run. So I gave that analogy. I think we talked about it, sir. और जो घोड़ा होता है उसके यहाँ पर वो flaps लगाते थे. You have to walk forward. इधर उधर नहीं देखना है मुझ में. So that is also something. And sir, the last thing and the most crucial one was कि अपना you cannot bank on the civil services exam because anything and everything is possible, which is where the uncertainty quotient comes in. So I always ensured कि मेरा employability का जो side है कि if at all this does not work, I should have something at the back end कि अब I will bank on it. And that also keeps you diverted from having those, idle mind is a devil's workshop. So you should not let that happen. Of course, you should work on your mental health. That is extremely important during this entire exam.